what's up? You already know what this is, man. Thule, aka the porno stamina. Even when I jerk off, yo, it still takes like 20-25 minutes to fucking come. That's how real it is, man. Hey, there's a reason why I'm a porno stamina, man. Hey. Real talk, but hey. Yo, shout out to my boy Big Biz. What up, man? I want to give a big shout out to all my fucking Albanians out there. You already know, this is the last video I'm doing. I'm good. I'm taking a little, you know, I'm good for a while, Mare. I'm the one that brought all the Albanians the crazy swag, Mare. I'm the boss of all aliens, Mare. The boss of all aliens, Mare. You know what I mean? I'm going to take a while. My whole thing was the little guys in the Albanian communities, you know what I mean? Like, I want them to be comfortable with themselves. Stop lying about a lot of shit. You know what I mean? Yo, I'll be honest, man, I rock shit from Walmart, Levi's. I swear to Allah. Y'all probably think he's just yapping, man. I swear to God. You know what I mean? We don't give a fuck about what the fuck. Shit look good. I was walking at the West Farms Mall. These bitches was like, yo, god damn, your swag is too fucking hard. They don't even know my shit is cheap. Like, you know what I mean? They're like, god damn, are you a rapper? You look like French Montana? I'm like, nah. It's Thule, baby. It's Thule, mama. You know what I mean? Shout out to all the races out there that fuck with me. You know what I mean? We're international with this shit. You know what I mean? But yeah. And to these three dudes, man, I swear to God, man, they try to get me. They send me an inbox with a fucking, velour type of outfit, you know, the mafia type of shit, like, you know what I mean? Like trying to look tough guy, hey, Sheepet, you gotta stop this shit. Listen, man, I don't give a fuck who you are, how you get down, but hey, I tell you, this is the reason why I don't get flu shots. They'll fucking poison my blood, because the blood's too real, and too not giving a fuck. You know what I mean? We don't give a fuck. I've been through a lot of shit. I told my mom, I'm gonna put this shit to rest. I went through torture when I was young, you know what I mean? I went through a lot of shit when I was young. And I told her, when I used to go to sleep when I was young, man, I used to think, yo, motherfuckers, you know, did me wrong, a lot of shit. There's pain behind all this shit, you know what I mean? I speak what I know, I don't speak for others. So all this shit, when I hear some dudes, listen, man, thousands and thousands of niggas fuck with me, in the thousands, you know what I mean? That's how it is, man, hey. I just want it to be like, to the regular Albanians, man, just be who you are, you know what I mean? You know how many times little kids, families hit me up, man, like dudes, what you doing is so fucking real. It had to be somebody with a heart. Remember, I escaped death 3 fucking times, man, on some shit. I swear to Allah, he knows that. We ain't gotta lie about shit. There's a reason why I'm put up here, because I touched a lot of people, like, in a way that they can relate to me. You know what I mean? You don't need all that money, Mare. You don't need all that shit. There's a reason why I'm the brokest. Like I say, I'm the brokest because we got no shame. Because what the fuck? You're going to tell people you got money and they come around you. I'm pushing a hoopty. I'm pushing a bucket, Mare. I'm pushing a can of sardines. You know what I mean? That's keeping it real. There's nothing phony over here. There's nothing. You ask anybody in the world, if Thule ever did anybody wrong or did something, that I swear to him, the most highly and the most I believe. That's why I don't go to Jami, man, too, man. People ask me, I used to pray back in the day, 2004, 2005, I used to pray heavy 5 times. When that gossip shit started going on, I just said, fuck this shit, man. Fuck these niggas, man. Get the fuck out of here with this shit, man. I don't fuck with this shit. I just don't want to mess with that. You know what I mean? I read the book, I know it. I love him. That's all that matters, man. But other than that, niggas know what the fuck it is. I'm the motherfucking one with the style, man. Woo! Who got the keys to the Beamer? Who am I? So remember out there, to all you fellas out there, you could tell me all the bullshit you got, who's with you. Remember, I'm just a one-man fucking crew. One-man crew. I told my boys to stay the fuck out of my business. All my real niggas, I told them stay the fuck out of my business. This is me and them, because I don't want to be doing all this talking and walking around with niggas. I swear to Allah, y'all see me by myself, wherever I'm at. Whoever got problems. Because I don't want that on them. That's mine. I got my shit into this dance, a.k.a. wallet. So, you know what I mean? You got to deal with it. You can't back on and depend on your boys. We're not rappers here. I'm not a fucking rapper. So what we say, we mean it. You know what I mean? Big shout out to all the rappers, goons out there for doing all their dirty work. There's a reason why rappers come out like, ooh, all this shit talking. Fuck out of here, man, because they know they backup plan. You know what I mean? I'm the one that said, woo. Who am I? Peace. Through the last video, man. I wish everybody Merry Christmas, safe New Year. We done with this shit. We gonna probably fuck around with Facebook, doing videos on Facebook. Other than that, peace. Ooh. What? Who the fly is Peace. Ooh.